Hello, my name is Martha Weatherings, and I'm here to talk to you about love. Love is a very complicated thing, and we're going to take some calls from some people today, and we're going to ask them some questions about love. Now, I have on the phone Martha Rivers. Hello, Martha Rivers. I have some questions for you. So I hear that you have a new man.
Why, yes, I do, and he's a very nice guy, but he doesn't seem to understand how I feel.
Well, I totally understand where you are coming from, Martha Rivers, and I wanted to let you know that we are here to listen to you.
Well, thank you very much, Mrs. Weatherings. See, the problem is that he doesn't answer my phone calls.
Well, why do you think that is?
Well, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder if it's because he doesn't love me.
Well, see, that is just such a strong word, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot just boost into love during the first couple of weeks. It doesn't work that way. Now, Martha Rivers, have you brought this up with your husband or boyfriend or whatever he is to you, fuck buddy, love buddy, fuck buddy?
Oh, well, I have, but he doesn't have much to say about it.
Well, you know why? I bet you it's because he's shy.
Oh, well, you've just made complete sense. Thank you.
And that will be it for today's Sex and Love Talk. Now, if you have any more questions, call 1-800-MARTHA Weatherings, and I don't know how to spell that because I'm really stupid. So just give me a call, and we will work things out. Thank you for watching.